So what are you doing today?
Cutting tomatoes.
Cutting tomatoes? Why?
We're making spaghetti sauce.
Nice. So you'll be able to do it by yourself next time, huh?
Probably.
Good. How is Mom's spaghetti sauce? Is it good?
Yeah.
And you're gonna get the secret recipe?
Yep.
Looking good, Ken. Okay, so tell me what you've put in the sauce so far.
Now we're doing the peppers.
Yep. So you've added what? What have you added to the sauce?
Tomatoes, a whole bunch. Yep.
And what else?
Peppers.
And what else?
Onions.
Okay. And then we're gonna put in what? What's this?
Garlic.
Okay. Thank you for slicing these up for me. Looking good. Stir that up a little. Should probably turn it down to like 5 since we already got it boiling. Alright, I'll get the cover and you go ahead and continue chopping tomatoes. Oh, your plate's over there. Okay, and the last step is what, Ken?
Honey.
Alright. And what is it called that you're making?
Spaghetti sauce.
Say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera. Okay, it's going on YouTube. Ken's first pasta all by himself. Say bye.
Bye.